Guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro not charging. If your Samsung Galaxy earbuds do not charge, then you will need to focus on these steps. First, make sure you are using an approved charger. When charging, be sure to use the included USB cable and a Samsung approved wall adapter. Alternatively, the earbuds are compatible with the select Samsung QI compatible wireless charging ports or phone using PowerShare. Second, check the case positioning if you're using a wireless charging pad. When charging wirelessly, make sure to place the case directly on the center of the charging pad. Third, check for case interference. If there is a cover in the charging case, it may interfere with wireless charging. You may charge the case and the earbuds with a USB cable or remove the cover to charge wirelessly. Fourth, make sure the earbuds are in right spot inside the case. Check to see if the earbuds are sitting properly inside the case. If they are not fully in their correct spots, the charging contacts won't contact to charge the earbuds. Fifth, check for debris on the charging contacts. Make sure the charging contacts inside the case and the earbuds themselves are clean and free of debris. Over time, dust bags or other debris can build up on charging contacts and prevent charging. Sixth, check for earbud tips and slash or wing tips. If your bud have earbud tips and slash or wing tips, make sure they are installed correctly. Otherwise, they may interfere with the earbuds sitting correctly inside the case. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.